Hi students, in this part we see about nomenclature of carboxylic acid. So carboxylic acid is nothing but it is a COOH group. Okay, this is the structure for carboxylic acid. The carbon connected with oxygen by double bond, and that one more OH group is connected by single bond, and this is the linking side. Okay, and this is a condensed form, single bond COOH. Okay, so it denoted by the suffix word oic acid. The general formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH. Okay, so how do we give the name? Name is equal to name of the alkane plus suffix oic acid. Okay, we cancelling that E and merge the name plus suffix. Okay, carboxylic acid is also started from the carbon number 0. Okay, first we write number of carbon 0. Here I substitute that molecular formula, N is equal to 0. So what it means HCOOH. How do we convert the molecular formula into structural formula? Here there is no hydrogen, so we directly write the functional group. Functional group, the structure of functional group is C double bond O, single bond OH, and that single bond. So C double bond O and single bond OH. This is the structure of functional group COOH. Next this is a place for hydrogen. Okay, so how do we write the condensed form? The condensed form for this structure is COOH. So I write COOH first, COOH. Next I write the remaining hydrogen atom. Next, what is the name for that alkane? Only one carbon is there. Only one carbon means meth. This is the alkane, so methane. Okay. After that, cancelling, added the suffix means first we cancel that E and merge with suffix oic acid. Now what is that? Methanoic acid. So that name for HCOOH is methanoic acid. And next, number of carbon 1. I substitute that N is equal to 1 in the general formula CnH2n plus 1 COOH. I get CH3COOH. So first how do we write the structural formula? Number of carbon 1. Next, functional group. So what is the structure for functional group? C double bond O and connected with single bond OH. Okay. Now framework, this functional group carbon satisfied, and remaining this carbon needed 3 more bond for attaining tetravalency. So this is a place for hydrogen. How many hydrogen? 3 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3 hydrogen. Condensed form, here CH3. Condensed form for acid is COOH. Here I denoted COOH. This is the structure. This is a condensed form. So COOH. Name 2 carbon is meth, eth. So this is the alkane, ethane plus oic acid. Cancelling that E and we merge that. So what is that name for CH3COOH? Ethanoic acid. Next, number of carbon 2. So substitute that general formula, we get C2H5OH. How do you convert the structural formula? How many carbon? 1, 2, and write the structure for acid C double bond O, single bond OH. Next, framework, functional group carbon satisfied. Remaining this carbon, it need 2 bond, it need 3. This is a place for hydrogen. 5 hydrogens are there. Okay. Condensed formula CH3 CH2 COOH. So what is that? CH3 CH2 COOH. that naming 3 carbon 1 2 3 meth, eth, prop. This is alkane, propane. Cancelling E, we merge that alkane name and oic acid suffix. What we get? That name for CH3CH2COOH is propanoic acid. Okay. Next, number of carbon 3. We substitute that general formula, we get C3H7COOH. So carbon atom 3, functional group C double bond O OH, and framework satisfied. It also need 3. So place for hydrogen. Condensed form CH3 CH2 CH2 COOH. This COOH is also present in end of the chain. Okay, name 1 2 3 4 4 carbon meth, eth, prop, bute. So alkane, butane. Okay, after cancelling E, we merge that. What is that? Butanoic acid. Number of carbon 4. Substituting the general formula, we get C4H9COOH. First convert the structural formula C4. That means 4 carbon. Then structural COOH, that functional group C double bond O OH. Framework, it also need 2. This carbon needs 3 more bond. This is the framework completed. This is the place for hydrogen. Then we add the hydrogen here. Next we convert into the condensed form CH3 CH2 CH2 and CH2. This group COOH. How many carbon? 1 2 3 4 5. That means meth, eth, prop, bute, pent. For alkane, pent plus ane, pentane. After cancelling E, we merge. What we get? We get pentanoic acid. This is the first 5 members of carboxylic acid family. Okay. So carboxylic acid means COOH group. It ended with the suffix oic acid. That COOH group is linked in the end of the chain. Don't forget that. Okay.